Welcome everyone to this video. Today we'll learn how to change your password on the LinkedIn app using your phone. Whether you've forgotten your old password or simply want to improve your account's security, let's begin the steps. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then scroll down and select Settings from the menu that appears. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Sign In and Security. After that, choose the option labeled Change Password. Now type your current password in the first field. Then enter your new password in the second field and confirm it by typing it again in the next box. Finally, tap on Save Password to apply the changes. Your LinkedIn password is now successfully updated, helping keep your account more secure. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.